Ooh, or cinnamon. What if I got the paprika color wherever it's at? Find it. Found it. I think this is it. Next I didn't know she was on here. See if there's any other YouTubers over here. Alright, we're back. So, what I got at the hair store, right? I got these for myself because my hair is dry. No, actually, I just need more shampoo and conditioner because I'm tired about Carol's daughter. Got my developer, my purple shampoo, powder, balls, brush, and the hair. Awesome hair. Got the hair already, you know. Got the bleach. I put 2 scoops of Coletta colors in the blue one because we're going to get rid of some orange tones. So we're going to go ahead and put some developer. I don't have the same brand because I like this developer better. I just wanted to put out there real quick, I am not going blonde anymore, and this is not a detailed tutorial. It's just a watch me doing it, basically. Thanks, you know, didn't want to like put you out there thinking she's not doing it right. No, I just, yeah. We already got some stuff going on here, so yeah, this is how you know it's too much. Put that right there. Get to work. We will see what kind of blonde comes out to be. I have no idea. If you saw earlier in the clip of my hair being dirty, fun fact, the dirtier your hair is, the more protection you have towards bleach. Why? Because it's dirty, and really, what's going to come against that, you know? I don't know, it's something you learn in cosmetology school. They tell you like a whole reason, but basically, the dirtier your hair is, as long as it's not like has bugs and all dirt in it, you know, then you're good. Like if it's just naturally dirty, naturally oily, it becomes more of like a base and a barrier. Since I have limited supplies of foil because I don't like buying foil, but I need it all the time, I'm going to do this side, and then there's another side just sitting in the sink. With that other side, I will be, what am I going to do? Forgot what I was about to say. Oh, I'm going to just put it on top of each other. Do what I'm doing now. You want to feather it at the top and not just boom, because it's going to be a line. It's going to be an ugly line if anything. Make it natural. I'm on YouTube a lot for someone that does not be uploading. Such a shame. But you see how it's like nice strokes, you know, has a little bit of feathering going on, you know. If you get like a random spot of bleach somewhere, don't freak out, y'all. Like, who's really gonna see it on, you know, hair extensions? Only way I would say they see it is if it's looking nasty. That's what I need.